Watch this. An epic Mortal Kombat-style arena battle made entirely with Dreamina. Let's watch, then I'll show you exactly how I made it. Round 1, fight!
I am Roman, and this arena is mine.
I am Lara. I came to shut you down.
Round 1, fight!
Alright, so day 1 was horror, built on pressure and slow reveals. Day 2 was pirate action comedy, built on chaos and jokes. Day 3 is a fight scene, and the key is clarity of moves. Let me show you how to make it in Dreamina. I start with 2 character sheets for Omni references using Dreamina GPT Image 2. Baron Romain is based on me, but much fatter. A cyberpunk arena fighter with dark armor, a sharp silhouette, and villain energy. Lara is the challenger, faster, lighter, and focused. They need different shapes and colors so viewers can read them instantly in action. Then I create the arena keyframe. A ruined mountain arena, storm sky, glowing vortex symbols, dust in the air, and a wide open center for the clash. The fight needs room. If the background is too crowded, the action gets messy. Dreamina Octo helps turn the idea into a mini trailer. Setup, face-off, first clash, escalation, power blast, sudden stop, and shadow reveal. The first fight hack is distance. I describe where they stand, who moves first, and how close they are. Baron Romain steps forward. Lara circles to the side. The camera stays low and wide so we can see both. The second hack is 1 impact per shot. In Dreamina Seedance 2.0, I animate 1 clean strike, block, spark burst, and dust kick. 1 strong clash looks better than 5 confusing moves. Then comes the twist. Gigi appears to help Lara when she is losing and saves the day. That gives the fight a story turn, not just random action. For consistency, I keep the same Baron Romain, Lara, and arena lighting across every shot, using image reference, video omni reference, Dreamina Seedance 2.0, and the cheaper Dreamina Seedance 2.0 mini for testing. So the day 3 arena hack is simple. Clear character sheets, clear movement, clear camera, and a twist ending. Dreamina builds the characters and arena, Octo shapes the trailer, and Seedance 2.0 brings the fight to life. Try Dreamina, follow AI Arena, and remember, this arena did not end because someone won. It ended because something bigger arrived. That's all for today. Try Dreamina from the link in description. See you guys in the next one. Bye!